Hello folks, welcome back. In today's video, how to fix a water break. We got a water leak here in Meander. I'll bring you guys along. So our water wells weren't doing good. They were sucking dry out of the water formation, and we went around and checked every houses with a geophone and detected in this line here, in this CC. And we can hear it, and it's very hard here to find water break. It doesn't come out of the ground. All right guys, I fixed it. Look, it's awesome. All done. It just goes into the ground and into the sand, and you can only find it by geophone, or else if the ground sloughs in after a while. We shut off this, I could hear it in this house here, and I shut off this valve, and we got no water going to the house, and you can still hear it with the geophone. So it's from here to the main line, and the main line's across the road, and we had to wait a few days because TELUS, they come to from Red Deer to locate our lines, so they had to drive down and locate the TELUS lines. And now it's all good. You can see, folks, all the lines are located. So it's from here to the main line. I'm hoping it's here. All right, I'll bring you guys along. The wells weren't doing good. They don't do good when we have a leak in the system. It just leaks out in the water where the water break is. All the water will leak out, and the wells won't have time to recover. It'll be always calling for water. All right, we've been shutting down overnight to have water during the day. We'll get the backhoe here and the hydrovac to help also. Teamwork. All right, continuing on, we'll bring you guys along. And hope this video is educational and helpful. There it goes. It's coming off the deck. Oh, the sun's coming out too also, folks. All right, we'll get digging and we'll show you where we're at. Let's watch this here. Grab that bucket there. Some good content for you folks. And educational at the same time. All right, we'll get digging. We'll get down to the water line. We'll try to get this water break resolved. All right, let's head over. The line goes straight from there this way, and that far from the right there to there that way, and there's one right there And there's one right here that goes right here that way, and the manhole is from here. Manhole right there, line right there, manhole right there, 1 and 2. Yeah, we'll get digging here. Burton on the backhoe. We're starting to dig, folks. We shut off the valve. We shut off the water from there to there, but there's still sound. So the water's off from there, but you still can hear it. So it's from there back towards the main line. Well, we're starting. Yeah, well, come along with us, folks. We'll show you how to fix the water break, and we'll bring you along. How to fix a water line under pressure. Continuing on. All right, folks, we got a bit of pile of dirt there. Brent on the hoe. Beautiful hoe, John Deere. And here's the stem again. And we got down to the CC. You could see some water flowing out there, and you could hear it. See that? CC valve. It must be shooting out the bottom. We'll shovel it out and we'll get to the bottom there, folks. I'll show you when I shovel that out. Continuing on. Educational. Alrighty. What's that, Scotty?
What you do? Break a shovel or what?
I think, well, let's see. Ah, shit, I think I did. We'll get it repaired. I shoveled it out, and there it is. We can wash up now. Huh? Yeah, Burton and Scotty with me today. Scotty and Burton on the hoe. Yeah, shallow. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's being used now. Yeah. Yeah. Cool, yeah, we found it. Scotty, Burton, and I. We'll get it repaired. Continuing on. We'll have a look after I dig this out. We'll have a look. Hope this video is educational. It see like it was here, folks, and it just goes straight through the ground. It doesn't even come up till I move a little bit of dirt. Then it starts shooting out. Yeah. You can see right here. The plastic froze. It's the plastic. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I done something there. Oh, we better go to the plant.
Shut off before it gets lost.
It's not too bad. I think it won't. See, like this too. I just see. You see, like it's not coming up in the hole we dug, because it's leaking the way it made a formation into the ground. It's leaking there and down into the water formations. We got lots of gravel here. It just goes right through the gravel. Yeah.
Look at that.
We struck oil. We struck a water well. Yeah. Okay, shut it off, Justin. Say hello. Oh, Justin went to shut it off. All right. Here's a look of it up here, folks. Guys. Y'all. Yeah, right there, look. Justin won't shut it off. It'll leak down. And here's the look up here. And Brent's on the backhoe. Scotty's leaving with the truck. He's gotta go pick up the cat at the lease and bring it to the other job site. And our locators down there locating the fiber optic on that end. He started the same time we started. Locating our lines, we got Greg Kaminsky. Yeah, okay, Ukrainian name, cool one. And what you're doing here today, Greg?
I'm locating the Axia super nets so
yeah.
that we can dig safely.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And you drove down from?
Grand Prairie.
Grand Prairie, how many hours?
About 5.5, 6.
Yeah, cool. What machine you're using today?
Radio detection.
What's it called?
Oh, that's the name actually.
Oh, it is? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
New to me, very educational. Let's show us one, how you do it.
All right. We're hooked on at 33 kilohertz, so just down at a volt.
Yeah.
And so I'm traveling, putting a signal down on the fiber optics line.
Yeah.
Just find the peak of my signal and trace it through. So
yeah.
I'll put down a mark on the line.
Yeah.
Everyone on each side. It's just
yeah.
a bit of a buffer.
Yeah.
And any work that's within about a meter of that mark, we just need to hand expose the line.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for coming.
Yeah,
we'll continue on. We got a water break here. All right, continuing on, folks, with how to fix a water break under pressure. All right, we'll fix the line now. Let's head back. All right, there I exposed it, folks. It's a 1-inch line, your CC, and when the water froze in the winter, the plastic pipe expanded and got a leak. Yeah, have a closer look. See, look at that. Froze and it expanded. And the water thawed out here. Then it had a break right in there, if you can see that. Yeah. All right, guys, I fixed it. Look, it's awesome. All done. All right, folks, you see that little arrow? The water goes that way.
Where's the key?
Remember the arrow that way, okay. All right, folks, we got our pipe all fixed up. Always put a board underneath so your CC valve could sit there. And remember, there's an arrow on your valve. And the water's going this way, so your arrow has to go that way with the flow. All right, all fixed up. Cool. All right, continuing on. Okay, folks, we got it all fixed up. We got a new stem. The reason why it was a leak, I determined, was the stem was broken on top from like a skidoo or something running over it. And it was bent, and it was winter. It couldn't shut off the CC, and when you shut off the CC, the valve drains out and it drains the line. But it was shut off, it couldn't shut it off. It was shut off in the house for the winter, and the plastic pipe expanded and ripped, and we got it all fixed up, and we could put a post here beside it so it won't get hit again. This is the smallest stem you can get. It's very shallow here, 5 feet only. 5 feet shallow line. But right down the street, it's 14 feet. All right. Me and Buddy got it going here. We fixed the pipe, all our fittings, and we put styrofoam, we put a little bit of dirt. We'll show you when we backfill. Yeah, there we got it. Alberta! Yeah, all done, folks. Now we're just backfilling. I held that a bit. Show you here a bit. Yeah, continuing on. Okay, folks, it's been 15 minutes now. Camera's back on for you. All right. Yeah. How to fix a water break under pressure. Brent is getting the water break all fixed up. He's bringing the dirt from over there nice and clean, and he's gonna work it this way, and then he's gonna level here. All right, I'll show you when Brent is done. He's leveling it now. concludes our video, how to fix a water break under pressure. We got it all fixed up, as you've seen, and we got it all, Brent got it all leveled. We're good now. Just like bringing you along. Thank you for coming along. Hope the video was educational. Please like, share, and subscribe. Smash that like button.